Place cameras to capture both the entrance and tool storage with clear sightlines and minimal obstructions. For workshop security camera placement outside home, position one camera aimed directly at the main access point so it captures faces and gait as people approach. Place a second camera at a low angle covering tool racks and benches to record items on shelves and any movement near valuable equipment. Use close-range, high-resolution lenses on those cameras so details like serial numbers and small labels are legible from typical workbench distances. Mount cameras higher than head height to reduce tampering while angling them downward to avoid sky glare and preserve contrast between subjects and background. Configure continuous recording during off hours and shorter event-triggered clips during active daytime periods to balance storage and retrieval speed. Pair cameras with alarmed door sensors, so video clips are time-synced with door events for faster review and stronger evidence. 3 common mistakes are poor sightlines, low image quality, and relying only on motion recording. Blocking a camera with shelving or foliage makes footage useless, so clear a 3-foot unobstructed wedge in front of each lens and adjust placement as tools or storage change. Using low-resolution or wide focal distance lenses blurs important details, so swap to a higher-resolution close-focus lens and test at the actual working distance before final mounting. Relying only on motion recording can miss slow tampering or tool removal, so enable continuous recording during high-risk hours and keep pre- and post-event buffers for every triggered clip. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like workshop security camera placement, helping us find local professionals and helping contractors find job leads. We host a discussion community where members share experiences, placement tips, parts lists, and real-world photos to help each other plan better installations.